Mr. Chairman, I'm grateful for the courtesy. I'm frustrated because this is not the normal process we have seen from either side of the political aisle over recent years. The White House nominated Mr. Bove over my and Senator Kim's strong objections while we were in the process of actually interviewing the other candidates the White House itself proposed. Senator Blackburn and Tillis raised similar concerns last Congress, but this nominee, as I said, sets new precedent. Before their nomination, all Judiciary Committee Democrats, including myself, had submitted a professional misconduct complaint against Mr. Bove with the New York State Bar. There is no scenario under which the White House counsel could believe that this nomination would be acceptable. Moreover, Mr. Bove's record makes clear that he has no business serving a lifetime on the federal bench. As was discussed by Mr. Durbin, Mr. Bove has a complete disregard for the rule of law. Yesterday, a DOJ whistleblower, something our chairman values a lot is whistleblowing, revealed that Mr. Bove said in a court and that any court that tried to stop the president from deporting people would be told expletive U. Mr. Bove then instructed the DHS to ignore any court order not to deport anyone. Again, he said with an expletive, F court orders. I don't even understand how we are seriously considering someone for a lifetime appointment on the federal bench who has such disregard for court orders. But again, to characterize this as Democrats having problems with this nominee is a wrong characterization. We are seeing more and more respected conservative leaders coming out against this. This is a bipartisan coming out against this nominee. Ed Whalen from the National Review said he has serious doubts that Bove has the character and integrity to be worthy of confirmation as a judge. The Society of the Rule of Law, Greg Nunzian's Society for the Rule of Law, a former GOP chief nominations counsel, came out and said that Mr. Bove's record at the Justice Department, including manipulating prosecutions for political or policy ends, is deeply incompatible with a lifetime appointment to federal judicial services. The Wall Street Journal's editorial board said, quote, by every account, Mr. Bove was an unethical prosecutor who didn't play by the rules. He violated his constitutional obligations to provide a defendant with exculpatory evidence. His Brady obligation, it was the biggest scandal of prosecutorial misconduct at the SDNY. He abused his staff and he abused power. The Wall Street editorial board says, quote, Mr. Bove's reputation lately is as a smack-mouth partisan who wields the law as a weapon. This is a conservative editorial board. Our job as a committee is not to simply rubber stamp nominees because the president nominated them. We should understand that the respect for our legal system, the respect for the rule of law is vital. We are hearing time and time again from people across the political spectrum and nonpartisan people that this nomination is violative of the shared values we have for who should be on the bench, what their temperament should be, what their respect for the rule of law should be. Mr. Bove should not be before us today in an oversight hearing on the unlawful acts of the Justice Department. He should be before us, in an oversight hearing on the unlawful acts of the Department of Justice. He should be before us to account for what we have seen going on in a very unusual way. He should not be before us for a lifetime appointment to the federal bench. I appeal to the chairman of this committee for us to have before us this whistleblower who is as Senator Durbin said, he should come before us and add testimony for the record. Thank you, Mr. Chair.